Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, August the 16th, as we begin our third week in the markets here in August. Let's quickly jump to our news items, previewing the news for this week. We have nothing on the docket for today, but we do have plenty of information regarding retail sales, industrial productions. We also have FOMC this week, crude inventories. Everything that we're talking about here is really important. By the way, on Tuesday at 1:30, we have the Fed chair speaking. So that's going to be interesting. And more information about manufacturing close the week on Thursday with unemployment claims. Now, that mixed in with the issues that are happening in Afghanistan. Oil prices are rising, so is the gas pump. The information regarding inflation and so on and so forth. So it seems the markets are kind of taking a breather from this continuous move to the upside as we begin looking at our daily chart. We can see this is today. Markets kind of coming off the all-time high that established on Friday. Again, volume has been just pathetic. Less than 900,000. HR continues to go lower. The HR, remember, is the average true range, which gives us the maximum high, maximum low average of these bars. So you continue to see markets just slow down, slow down, slow down. It looks like the market's going to be taking a little bit of a breather today. Remember, don't keep in mind the fact that we do have the 20 SMA as our true support, and of course the all-time highs continue to lead us in our resistance. Let's look a little bit behind these numbers so we can get our mental picture of what we can see today. Remember, we broke above this trend line, this particular channel here, market user support. We find ourselves in this trend line right here. This trend line here is holding the market up. You see the market's kind of channeling between these two areas, kind of oscillating between two areas to the upside. Remember, we have the all-time high that we established on Friday, which is our support, our top of this area, and this is where we find ourselves right now. Any break below this particular trend line can turn into a potential run to this particular area here, which used to be resistance, and of course we turned that into support. And of course the other logical step is for the market to kind of try and hang out within these areas here. This could be it could be short term, it could be mid term, it could be long term, but that's one of the possibilities that we have coming up. Let's look closer at today's trading in order to determine what we're going to be doing today. And as we can see, we find ourselves, this is the intraday high, which also turns out the new all-time high. This is the intraday low. Market clearly oscillating within this market. By the way, there is a gap here that we have from this weekend. Market clearly retests the intraday low, clearly breaks below it, starts to use a resistance, retraces a little bit deeper, and now it ran clearly through. And here's where we find ourselves in a clear market compression. Normally we get these when the market is indecisive. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for one of these guys. We're looking for the potential continuation lower, holding support, resistance, and potentially moving lower. Of course, the market can oscillate between these two areas and probably try to break here and move higher. Now, nothing is going to happen to the upside or to the downside until we have clear breaks above or below these trend lines. That's what we're looking for today. Keep your eyes open on the confirmation for this, and please place your stops first. Have a great session. Let me know if you have any questions.